Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. Let us have third set of the average round for grade 6 pupils. In the average round, participants are not allowed to use scratch paper. Each item must be answered in 30 seconds. Final answers must be written on an answer sheet before the time expires. Before we continue, please subscribe for more Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids videos. Question number 1. 5 consecutive odd numbers have a sum of 215. What is the largest number? Again, 5 consecutive odd numbers have a sum of 215. What is the largest number? Go. Time is up. The answer is 47. Question number 2. A piece of plastic sheet is 3 meters by 2 meters. How many 6 decimeter by 5 decimeter pieces can be cut from it? Again, a piece of plastic sheet is 3 meters by 2 meters. How many 6 decimeter by 5 decimeter pieces can be cut from it? Go. Time is up. The answer is 20. Question number 3. What is the smallest number by which you can multiply 2520 to make it a perfect square? Again, what is the smallest number by which you can multiply 2520 to make it a perfect square? Go. Time is up. The answer is 70. Question number 4. What digit can be placed in 52,140 blank to make it divisible by 7? Again, what digit can be placed in 52,140 blank to make it divisible by 7? Go. Time is up. The answer is 3. Last question for this round. A distance of 65 kilometers is represented on a map by 8 centimeters. To the nearest tenth of a centimeter, how long is the line representing 95 kilometers? Again, a distance of 65 kilometers is represented on a map by 8 centimeters. To the nearest tenth of a centimeter, how long is the line representing 95 kilometers? Go. Thumb is up. The answer, 11.7. This time, let us show the answers and solutions to the 30-second questions. Question number 1. 5 consecutive odd numbers have a sum of 215. What is the largest number? Here is our suggested solution. Since we have 5 consecutive odd numbers, we can draw 5 lines to represent each number. Then, since we have 5 odd numbers, we divide 215 by 5. The answer is 43. So we can put 43 in the middle of these 5 consecutive odd numbers. The next odd number will be 45. And the largest odd number will be 47. Question number 2. A piece of plastic sheet is 3 meters by 2 meters. How many 6 decimeter by 5 decimeter pieces can be cut from it? Here is our suggested solution. From the given information, the length of the plastic sheet is 3 meters, and this is equivalent to 30 decimeters. Hence, we can have 5 pieces or 5 cuts from this side, that is 5 times 6 decimeter cuts. The width of the plastic sheet is 2 meters, and this is equivalent to 20 decimeters, and we can have 5 decimeters cut on this side of the plastic sheet. Hence, we have 4 times 5, 6 decimeter by 5 decimeter pieces, and that is equal to 20. Question number 3. What is the smallest number by which you can multiply 2520 to make it a perfect square? Here is our solution. Writing 2520 in prime factorization form, we have 2 cubed times 3 squared times 5 times 7. We know that 2 squared and 3 squared are perfect squares. So we have 2 squared times 3 squared times 2, that is from 2 cubed. We have 2 squared times 2, then 5 times 7. Hence, we need to multiply this number by 2 times 5 times 7 to make it 2 squared times 3 squared times 2 squared times 5 squared times 7 squared, which is a perfect square number. So the answer is 2 times 5 times 7, and that is 70. Question number 4. What digit can be placed in 52,140 blank to make it divisible by 7? Here is our suggested solution. In the divisibility for 7, what we do is get the units digit of the number, multiply it by 2, then subtract the result from the remaining digits, and if the result is a multiple of 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Hence, we will check whether 5,214 is divisible by 7. If it is divisible by 7, then the answer is 0. If it is not divisible by 7, the remainder will be divided by 2, and that is our answer. So we have 5,000 214 divided by 7. So we have 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 52 minus 49 is 3. Bring down 1. So we have 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Then we have 3. Bring down 4. Then we have 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Then we have 6. We have a remainder of 6. Then twice the required number. Let n be that number. So 2n is equal to 6. So n is equal to 3. The answer is 3. Question number 5. A distance of 65 kilometers is represented on a map by 8 centimeters. To the nearest tenth of a centimeter, how long is the line representing 95 kilometers? Here is our suggested solution. From the given information, 65 kilometers is to 8 centimeters, and that is directly proportional to 95 kilometers is to n. If n is the representation on the map. From here, using the cross product property of proportion, we have the product of the means. 8 times 95 equals 65 times n. Then we have n is equal to 8 times 95 over 65. 95 over 65 is equivalent to 19 over 13. So we have 8 times 19, that is 152 over 13. Then we divide 152 divided by 13. Then we have 1, subtract, bring down 2. 22 minus 13 is equal to 9. We get a decimal. Then we have 6. 6 times 13 is 78. Then we have 12, another 0. 120 divided by 13. We have 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 2, 11. Then we have 3. Hence, to the nearest tenth of a centimeter, the answer is 11.7. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos.